Hello everyone, super excited to do my relaunch of my brand. It is called Donna Naturals, and many of you are asking, could I do tutorials on the products that I have in my line? Of course, I just want to go right through them. I have my hair and body butter. It's good for your skin as well as your hair. It keeps everything moisturized. All the products are natural, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, nothing like that. They're all vegan. I have my curling custard, and that's what I'm going to be using tonight. My daily moisturizer. And I have my amazing hair growth oil. So those are the 4 products that I have. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do my wash and go. I just colored my hair. I'm going to take a little bit of my daily moisturizer just to put on my hair throughout my head. Okay, just like that. For those of you, this smells like warm vanilla sugar, a cookie. It smells amazing. So you're gonna love that. You're gonna love the scent, I do know that. So I'm just gonna put this on, just raking it through. Just want to make sure my hair is moisturized, because sometimes when you put a styler on, you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized, okay, underneath your style. If you don't want to use the moisturizer, you don't have to. You can use the butter or whatever your preference may be. Now I'm going to put the custard on. This is a very light, pleasant, it's the fragrance, this is my favorite fragrance. It just really just gets you in the mood for summer. So I'm gonna take some custard here, and I put a lot on, so I'm just gonna make sure I distribute throughout. And as you see, I'm gonna show you this side versus the other side. The custard is also good if you want to twist your hair as well. You want to make sure that you apply it on wet hair. Alright, so as you can see, the hair is more, you can see the moisture in it. I always make sure I open the hair up, because see, like this part didn't really get any product on there. So that's a key tip to a great wash and go. You want to make sure that you open the hair up and apply the product all over, not just the top and underneath. You want to get in the inside as well. So I'm just doing the shingling method. All right. Do you see how defined my curls are now compared over here? All right, so I'm gonna do this all over, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product. Back with all of the product applied to the hair all over. As you can see, the curls are defined all the way around. So you can either diffuse your hair at this point, you can dry your hair, or you can air dry it. You have 3 different options. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm going to just remove the cap, give myself a little shake, and I'm going to start taking a wide tooth comb and just kind of picking the roots, creating the volume, because I don't have thick hair, but I do know how to manipulate it and give myself that volume that I need. And that's it. I have a nice, simple wash and go that is very moisturized, very lightweight, defined, all of the above. So make sure you check out DonnaKNaturals.shop and get your custard and your other products today.